Hey guys! Want this? First get your video ready. Now add text your username. Add font as you like and adjust it. I used Heaven font. Add font as you like and adjust it. Place the font wherever you like. Now go to Style and select color green. Now go to Shadow and add shadow. Drag it till the end and export it. Now go back and delete the text. Add the video which we made, and make it as overlay. Now go to Cutout Chroma Key, Color Picker, place the circle on text, just like I did, intensity 50 to 70. Now click on the main video, and adjust it as your liking. Now export it, and you are done. Thanks for watching.